Welcome to Kotor Montenegro, Croatia!
Yes, you can see. You can see very top. See there.
Yeah, that one. I want to go there.
Please use the handrail to the systems often. Keep walkways clear. Please ensure bags and belongings are safe. And to avoid risk of entry, please keep hands away from the side of the tender and stand alongside the middle wall.
Only 1%. You stay there.
I think so.
So if you go in the water.
No.
May naga please. Uy,
Thank you daw.
Shout out.
Borealis crew. What? Last tender?
Very hot.
Şuradan şimdi ben inerken arkaya bakacağım, yakala Murat.
Ne dedi?
İnerken arkaya bakacağım, yakalayacağım. Hadi peşine ben de geliyorum. Devam et.
Another welcome. And shout out to Cynthia. Hi! Welcome to Montenegro.
Sakit ulo, sakit headache.
Uy! Oh, hi!
Busog sa pizza. Sarap.
Sarap talaga. Pizza lover.
Pizza lover. What a pizza.
Kahapon din rin, ang ganda.
Ay, hindi man ako
Ang ganda kahapon, no? Eh.
Kahit umuulan?
Umaraw na nung hapon. Pero ang sarap nung ano niya, yung pinaka ano niya.
Oo.
Lamig niya kahapon. Sa Croatia maganda.
Ay, wala pa pala.
Alin?
Naka-close pa.
Waiting.
Is it like a big stairs or this is a...
School now? What did you eat?
Shout out sa taga Davao.
Shout out.
Hour and a half when you are more slow.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Welcome to my club.
Ano ba?
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
1, 2, 3. Ano kasi? Ay, dito lang tayo.
Ito na tayo.
Dito na kami tatlong Maria.
Ano, ma'am?
Si Karen kasi vlogger si Karen. Thank you very much. Ang galing niya. Ano ito? So bad.